Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we separate real value from online hype. If you're a pet owner, you already know the struggle: hair on sofas, beds, clothes, and car seats everywhere. Today, we're reviewing the PurePath Pet Hair Remover Glove, a product that claims to remove pet hair in seconds using electrostatic grip technology. But the big question is, does it really work, or is it just another viral gimmick? Let's find out. According to the sellers, this glove uses electrostatic grip technology to lift deeply embedded pet hair from almost any surface. They also claim it works on all fur types, removes hair from sofas, carpets, clothes, and car seats, is reusable and washable with no refills needed, delivers results in just a few seconds, and they advertise it as the authentic, patented glove. Sounds impressive, but marketing claims don't always equal real-world results. In reality, this glove works using static electricity and friction. When you rub it across fabric, hair sticks to the glove, similar to how lint sticks to your hands after touching certain materials. Now here's the truth. It can work well on short to medium pet hair. It's useful for quick cleanups, but it struggles with deeply embedded hair in thick carpets. And it's not as effective on heavy shedding breeds, so yes, it works, but not as magically as the ads suggest. Pros: no batteries, no refills, no extra cost, reusable and eco-friendly, lightweight and easy to use, decent results on couches, beds, and clothing. Cons: requires manual effort, not ideal for large cleaning areas, overpriced on some websites. Similar gloves are available cheaper online. So, is PurePath Pet Hair Remover Glove a scam? No, it's not an outright scam. But is it overhyped? Yes, absolutely. The product works, but it's often marketed as a miracle solution when it's really just a basic static hair remover glove with smart branding. If you're looking for a simple, reusable tool for light pet hair cleanup, this glove can be useful. But if you expect it to replace a vacuum cleaner or remove stubborn hair instantly, you may be disappointed. Our rating: 6.5 out of 10. If this review helped you avoid wasting money, hit the like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and share this video with fellow pet owners. Stay alert, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next review. Thank you.